Now we are going to start the explanation from here. It is in the news. Okay, first of all I am going to tell you the meaning of some new words. Okay, so here is kin. Actually this is a word kith and kin, that means relative people or the people of the same community. Here the meaning is the people of the same community, means the farmers or the rural people. And then next is greedy good doers. Greedy good doers means the fake people, so called reformers or the people who belongs to different NGOs. In short, you can write down fake people. And beast means the animal. And swarm over means controlling. Swarm over their lives means controlling. And then out of their wits means not using their mind or brain. Wits means brain or the wisdom. So in short, out of their wits means not using their brain. Then ancient way means old way or the previous way. Then in the next stanza, in the second line, longing. Longing means wish. Okay, wish or desire. Vain. Vain means useless. Next line, lurks. The sadness that lurks near. So the meaning of lurks is sits or sitting. Okay. And then next line, squeal of break. Squeal of break. Squeal means any shriek sound. So here you can write down the sound of break. Then farmers prices means crops rate of crops. Then in next line, plow up grass. Plow up means uprooted the grass. Then ask the way means asking address. Ask the way means asking address. Then in the next line here, gallon of gas means petrol. Okay. Then in the next stanza, second line, the requisite lift means the necessary or required. Necessary or required. Then the next line, one stroke. One stroke means in the single attempt, or then and there, or instantly, means in single stroke means one stroke means in one attempt. Okay. Then next, sane. Sane means street or area. So these are the meaning. Now I am going to explain. It is in the news that all these pitiful kin are to be brought out and mercifully gathered in to live in village next to the theatre and the store. Now one news is there in the rural area that the government is going to shift these people of the community, means these all rural people, in a village, means in a new locality. And this locality is situated near the theatre and store, means the malls. Means this colony or the locality is situated near the city. So all these villagers also will be shifted there with lots of care or with lot of healthy attitude in these localities that are situated near the city. Theatre and store means near the city where all these things are found. And then where they would not have to think for themselves anymore. And now the greedy people means, first of all you should see the explanation of the second line. While greedy good doer, beneficent beast of prey, means in the city some greedy people are there, or so called social reformers, NGO owners, or no doubt political leaders, as they are not honest. Beneficent beast means they are ready to use these villagers, means they will tell the villagers that the government is going to do so many things for these poor people, so they have to not do any work. Means they are going to just make these poor or simple hearted people that they have to not do any work, because the government is going to do so many different works by bringing different policies, like giving them houses free of cost, giving them gas connection free of cost, and giving them monthly income, something like that means. So these greedy good doers means these greedy people are going to use these simple hearted and simple people of the village side, and what they are doing, they are controlling their life just to get the benefit of these people. Benefit, how they get the benefits? For example, the government is giving suppose 10,000 to each family, but these good doers, greedy good doers means fake people, what they are doing, they are giving only 2,000 to these poor people and keeping 8,000 in their own pockets. So in this way they are taking the benefits. Or sometimes they are saying, okay, fill the form, give 100 rupees each, and we will give you this facility or that facility. So poor people give some money just to get the big benefit. So in this way these fake people take the advantage of the rural people.